Welcome to our video tutorial on using mesh terms and other controlled vocabulary provided by the Library of Rush University Medical Center. We'll go over what a controlled vocabulary is and why you should use it. We'll also demonstrate using controlled vocabulary in both PubMed and CINAHL. Controlled vocabularies are a searchable thesaurus or collection of biomedical terms, which are used to index, catalog, and search biomedical databases. Using them often provides better search results. A comprehensive search includes both controlled vocabulary terms and keywords. Probably the most popular controlled vocabulary is Medline's MESH terms. MESH stands for Medical Subject Headings. Currently, there are over 29,000 MESH terms. MESH terms are applied by indexers who read the articles that have recently been applied to Medline and tag that article with the appropriate MESH terms. Then, when a user searches on a MESH term, the articles that have been tagged with that term are retrieved. Here's an example of a good time to use MESH. Let's say you're looking for articles about pressure sores. You'd be interested in articles that use the term pressure sores, or pressure ulcers, or even bed sores. To retrieve all these articles, a reviewer must search on each of these terms. However, all of these articles should have been tagged with the MESH term pressure ulcers. That means searching for a single MESH term will return all of these articles. Much more efficient than searching on individual keywords. Remember that a comprehensive search strategy includes both MESH terms and keywords, as you can see in this example. It's important to also include keywords for several reasons. First of all, it can take up to 6 months for MESH terms to be applied. So if you search using only MESH terms, you will miss the most recent articles. Also, it is possible that the indexers missed applying the appropriate MESH term. How do you find MESH terms? To access the MESH database, go to the PubMed homepage and under Explore, click MESH Database. Type your term into the search box and hit Enter. On the next screen, choose the appropriate term by clicking the title. This will add it to the PubMed Search Builder. Next, hit Search PubMed. You will be brought back to PubMed and shown the citations that were tagged with that MESH term. From here, you can add keywords. Now let's talk about CINAHL's controlled vocabulary, called subject terms. The CINAHL database is set up so that each search defaults to searching subject terms. That's why this little box above the search bar is checked. If you prefer not to use this feature, simply uncheck that box and it will search on keywords only. To use suggested subject terms, leave the box checked off, type your keywords in the search box, and hit Enter. The next screen will list suggested subject terms. Click the box in front of the most appropriate and then Search Database. You'll be brought back to CINAHL's main search screen with a completed search for your result. Searching for additional keywords will increase the number of your results. If you have any questions about using controlled vocabularies in your search strategy, please reach out to our librarians using the Ask Us button on the library homepage. Thank you for watching this tutorial.